This next fly I'm going to tie is the golden stonefly nymph. The hook is a Tiemco 200 size 4. The thread I'm using is a Semperfli Nano Silk 18-aught white. Start your thread right where the second segment of the wing case starts. Next, take the lead wire and bend it around the bodkin and wrap it along the hook shank, starting where I started the thread to wrap it parallel along the hook shank, even with the point. Trim the excess wire flush with the wrap, flatten with pliers, and add head cement. Build up the thread at the base of the hook so it's tapered with the lead wire. Next, split the thread, wax, and add the brown hairs to your dubbing and spin and brush it out. Wrap the dubbing forward behind the lead wire into a ball shape. This will separate the tails. Next, measure 2 strands of brown goose bias and trim evenly. Secure each strand along the edge of the lead wire, left and right, and trim any excess even where the thorax meets the abdomen. Next, take the copper wire, double it, and secure the ends even with the trimmed biots, and twist with a shepherd's hook tool. Build up the thread in that area. Tie in the medium vinyl rib from underneath the hook beside the copper wire. Wrap the vinyl rib forward, edge to edge, along the section of the abdomen and secure it along the threaded section of the lead wire. Wrap the twisted copper wire between the grooves of the vinyl rib and secure. Next, prepare the 1/4-inch brown scud back, trim the end into a point, and tie it in at the start of the lead wire and secure. Split the thread, wax, and add hare's ear brown dubbing. Twist and brush out the dubbing and wrap it forward edge to edge for the first segment of the wing case. Secure by the thread and trim the excess. Brush and pick out the dubbing. Fold the wing case over the dubbing and secure it along the lead wire. Next, split the thread, wax, and add a section of pine squirrel zonker strip in between. Trim the hide and add your dubbing twister below the fur and double over the thread and spin. Thread tension is the key to this step. Brush out the fibers, switch over to a hackle plier, and wrap the fur forward edge to edge along the rest of the threaded portion and secure by the thread and trim. Next, fold the wing case over the fur, secure it on the bare section of the hook to the midpoint between the end of the fur and the eye of the hook, and fold it back and secure. Next, secure 2 strands of goose biots for the antenna. Wrap from the top with the first one and the second one from the bottom to the shoulder and trim. Secure the black mono eyes up against the shoulder with figure 8 wraps and add head cement. Next, split the thread, wax, and add the same dubbing. Twist the thread to secure the dubbing and brush it out. Wrap the dubbing behind and around the mono eyes is secured by the thread in front of the eyes and trim. Fold over the wing case, secure it behind the eye, trim the excess, build up the thread, whip finish, and add head cement. Thanks for watching. You can subscribe or leave a like if you want. You can check my other videos for more advanced fly tying techniques.